starting with a small-scale drawing influenced the final tattoo design?
I've always found it important to start with a small thumbnail sketch, just because your thinking process is more overall. You can really kind of grasp the whole composition at once when you're drawing small. When you draw large, you tend to get hung up in details and smaller shapes and other aspects of the design that aren't important yet. You want to be thinking about just those few large shapes that are going to anchor the whole composition. That's why it's nice to start with drawings that are just a few inches tall, smaller than a playing card. From there, you can always expand and go as far as you need to with it.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click over here. To check out our YouTube channel for more awesome tattoo content, click here. And if you're interested in taking your tattoos to the next level, follow this link right here.